One more time here.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when suddenly I slip away? Almost on the ghost of who we used to be. Yes, today. How you gonna touch and how will you collect the beauty when it turns to dust? Everything we make, the cells we generate are both of us. Please be aware that I am you. Nothing could be more certain. This ain't the time, the place for us to understand this life.
Sorry, Greg, I thought that was it.
Hold your